Hello students. Today we are going to begin with our new topic, division method for finding the HCF. In the previous lecture we have seen the prime factorization method. In that method we write all the numbers together, whichever numbers are given for finding the HCF. Then we find the common factors for this number and we write the quotients over here. Again common factor, again we write the quotients, and if all the numbers in the lowest line, if they are not having any common factor, then the problem ends there itself, and HCF is found by multiplying the numbers on the leftmost column, multiplying the numbers in the leftmost column. Now one more method is there for finding the HCF, which is called as division method. Means in this method we have to do division, but there is a little bit of change. It is not the normal division that we always perform. There is a little bit change. Okay. So here we will take one example. Find the HCF of 144 and 252. So in this method, remember that the bigger number is always the dividend and the smaller number is always the divisor. So we will start. 252 is the dividend and we have to divide it by 144. So here what is different is that we will write the quotient on the right side. We don't have to write anything here. We will write the quotients on the right side. So now start the division. Here it is 144. If we double this 144 into 2, so 14 double will be 28, means it will be bigger than 252. So we will take 144 ones are 144. Then we will perform subtraction. And here we have to do borrowing. So here it will become 4, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So 108 is the remainder. 108 is the remainder. Now what we will do? This remainder will become our divisor and the previous divisor will become our dividend. Okay. What I said, did you understand? That whatever remainder we get, it becomes the divisor for a new problem. Consider this as a new problem. And the previous divisor, what was the previous divisor? 144. 144 will now become the dividend. Now divide these two. Divide 144 by 108. So 108, if we make it 2 times, then it will become 200. 100 double is 200. So we can't take 2s. So again we will take 108 ones are 108. Subtraction. Now again borrowing. So here it will be 3, here it will be 4. 14 minus 8 is 6. 3 minus 0 is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now this remainder will become divisor and the previous divisor will become the dividend. Understood what we are doing? Whenever we get a remainder after doing subtraction, that remainder becomes our new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the dividend. जो भी रिमाइंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद मिलता है वो डिवाइज़र बनता है और जो पहले वाला डिवाइज़र था उसको डिविडेंड बनाना है. मतलब पहले वाले डिवाइज़र को इस रिमाइंडर से डिवाइड करना है, फिर नया रिमाइंडर मिलेगा, फिर ये पहले वाले डिवाइज़र को इस रिमाइंडर से डिवाइड करना है. ऐसे करते जाना है जब तक हमें लास्ट में 0 ना मिले. नाउ हियर 36 इज देयर. So if we make double of 36, so 30 double is 60. So we can take here 3. 36 into 3. Here last digit is 8. So we are taking here 3. 3 6 are 18. Carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So 36. 3s are 108. Subtraction 0. So here our division method will end. So the last divisor which gave us the answer 0, this divisor will be the HCF of 144 and 252. This divisor will be the HCF. Therefore HCF is 36. जिस डिवाइज़र के कारण रिमाइंडर 0 आया है वही डिवाइज़र हमारा होता है हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. ओके, और ये प्रोसीजर कब तक करना है? जब तक लास्ट में 0 नहीं आ जाता. सबसे पहले बड़ा नंबर यहाँ लिखना है, छोटा नंबर यहाँ डिवीजन करना है. फिर एक रिमाइंडर आता है, उस रिमाइंडर से पहले वाले डिवाइज़र को डिवाइड करो. फिर एक रिमाइंडर आएगा, फिर इस रिमाइंडर से पहले वाले डिवाइज़र को डिवाइड करो. फिर 0 आता है तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज वी हैव टू कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग द प्रोसेस. ओके, सो वन मोर एग्जाम्पल वी विल टेक नाउ. Reduce 209 upon 247 to its simplest form. Okay, we have to reduce this fraction to the simplest form. Now how to reduce a fraction to its simplest form? What is the method that we have studied? Suppose we take an example 9 upon say 15. So how to reduce this fraction in the simplest form? We have to divide both these numbers by a common factor. So which is the common factor for 9 and 15? It is 3. 3 3s are 3 5s are. So 3 upon 5 is the simplest form of the fraction 9 upon 15. Another example we can take, suppose 8 upon 20. 8 upon 20. This fraction we have to reduce in the simplest form. So we will divide this fraction by first 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 10s are 20. So what we will get? 4 upon 10. Now 4 upon 10, further it can be divided by 2. This is not the simplest form. Simplest form means what? There is no common factor between the numerator and the denominator. तब तक हमें उसको डिवाइड करते रहना है. Now 4 upon 10, again it can be divided by 2. 2 2s are 2 5s are. So 2 upon 5 is the simplest form of 8 upon 20. Now here we have done 2 times division. First we divided by 2, then again we divided by 2. बट अगर हमें 8 और 20 का HCF पता होता तो हम डायरेक्ट उसी से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते थे. व्हाट इज़ द HCF ऑफ 8 एंड 20? इट इज़ 4. सो हम अगर डायरेक्ट 4 से डिवाइड करते तो हमें डायरेक्ट 2 अपॉन 5 मिल जाता. 2 बार डिवाइड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. सो इन सच केसेस वेयर वी हैव टू रिड्यूस अ फ्रैक्शन इनटू इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. In such examples, if we know the HCF of two numbers, then it is very easy to reduce it in the simplest form. तो HCF का यूज़ ऐसे फ्रैक्शन को सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में रिड्यूस करने के लिए होता है. तो जब ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है रिड्यूस सम फ्रैक्शन टू इट्स सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म, तो सबसे पहले हमें उसका HCF निकालना पड़ता है. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द HCF ऑफ द टू नंबर्स गिवन इन द फ्रैक्शन and then we can divide the two numbers with that HCF. Okay, so we will start finding the HCF by division method. Okay, for that first write the bigger number here and divide it by the smaller number. Always remember, in this method bigger number will be your dividend and smaller number will be your divisor. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर ऐसे डिसाइड नहीं करना है, छोटा वाला नंबर जो होगा दोनों में से वो डिवाइज़र एंड बड़ा वाला नंबर विल बी योर डिविडेंड. नाउ डिवाइड दिस. सो हियर ऑल्सो 200, हियर ऑल्सो 200. इसको अगर इंटू 2 करेंगे तो वो आंसर 400 में जाएगा. सो वी कांट टेक इंटू 2. सो 209 1 जा 209. Now subtraction. For that borrowing. Now 17 minus 9 is 8 and 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. So what remainder we got? 38. Now this 38 will become our new divisor and the previous divisor will become the dividend. And then we have to divide these two numbers. Okay. Now 38 we will take here 38 table. Obviously you don't know the table of 38. So we will think if we double 30 then it will be around 60. Then triple, then around 90. Then 4 times it will be around 120. So directly we will try for 5. 38 into 5 we will try. 5 8s are 40. 5 3s are 15 plus 4 19. 190 we got. Now again if we multiply it by 6 then it will be bigger than 200. So we will take 38 5s are 190. Then subtraction. 9 minus 0 9 and 20 minus 19 1. Okay. So remainder we got 19. Now this 19 will become our divisor and the previous divisor will now become the dividend. Okay. रिमाइंडर बन जाएगा डिवाइज़र और पहले वाला डिवाइज़र बन जाएगा डिविडेंड. नाउ 19 टेबल वी नो 19 2s are 38. So remainder is 0. Means this division method is complete. And due to which divisor we got 0 answer? Due to 19. Therefore HCF of 209 and 247 is 19. Now we know the HCF, so we can reduce it in the simplest form. 209 upon 247. For reducing it, we have to divide by the same number. So we will divide both by 19 and the answer will be 11 upon 13. Actually you have to divide and check. So here I have found the answer already for you. Answer will be 11 upon 13. Understood? Now we will take some more examples of practice set. So we will start with practice set 12 and question number 2. Yesterday we have done practice set 12. By mistake I told you that it is 11. Make it 12 there. So practice set 12. This was question number 1. Find the HCF. Okay. And today we are going to start with question number 2. Find the HCF by division method and reduce to the simplest form. See here. Practice set 12. Question 1 we have completed. Question number 2. Find the HCF by division method and reduce to the simplest form. In this first example is 275 upon 525. So first we will divide 525 by 275. Always remember in this method take the bigger number as dividend, smaller number as divisor. Now here 27. Okay, suppose we take first two digits 27. So 27 double is 54. So we will get the answer as 540 something. And here it is 525. So we cannot take 2s. So we will take 1s. 275. Okay. Subtraction, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 7 not possible, so 12. Here it will be 12 minus 7 5, 4 minus 2 is 2. So what remainder we got? 250. Now this remainder will become divisor and previous divisor will become our dividend. प्रीवियस डिवाइज़र डिविडेंड करके लिखना है और ये रिमाइंडर से उसको डिवाइड करना है. नाउ हियर 250, 25 का डबल 500 होता है, तो डबल तो नहीं ले सकते. अगेन वी विल टेक 1 जा 250. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 2 0. अब ये रिमाइंडर बन जाएगा डिवाइज़र और प्रीवियस डिवाइज़र को इससे डिवाइड करना है. सो प्रीवियस डिवाइज़र इज 250. नाउ 25 10 जा 250. सो रिमाइंडर इज 0. सो बिकॉज ऑफ which divisor we got remainder 0? 25. Therefore HCF of 575, 525 and 275 is 25. HCF we know. Now for reducing it in the simplest form, what we will do? We will write the actual question and we will divide it by the HCF. Divide both numerator and denominator by the HCF. Now by doing actual division, you will get the answer 11 upon 21. You can do the division in the rough. 275 divided by 25. 1s are 25. 2 5. Again 25 1s are 25. Second division, 525 divided by 25. 25 2s are 50. 2 5. 25 1s are 25. So like this you have to divide and find out the simplest form of this number. Okay. Second example we will take. 76 upon 133. This fraction we have to reduce in the simplest form. So for that we will need HCF. Now bigger number will be dividend, smaller number will be divisor. Now 76 if we double then we will get 140 something. 70 का डबल होता है 140. So यहाँ पे 130 ही है. So 140 will be bigger. That's why we will take 1s are 76. Subtraction by borrowing. So 13 minus 6 is 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So remainder we got as 57. Now this 57 will become divisor and 76 will become the dividend. Again 57 1s are 57. क्योंकि 50 वाला नंबर है तो 50 को डबल करेंगे तो आंसर 100 में आएगा एंड इट विल बी बिगर देन 76. दैट्स वाई 1s are 57. नाउ अगेन सब्ट्रैक्शन, आंसर विल बी 9 and 1 19 and this number, this remainder will become the divisor and previous divisor will become the dividend. Now 19 3s are 57. So remainder is 0. By which number we got remainder 0? Because of 19. Therefore HCF of 76 and 133 is 19. If we have to reduce this, we have to divide both the numbers by its HCF. HCF is 19. So divide both the numbers by 19. So you will get 4 upon 7. Okay, 4 9s are 36. Last में 6 चाहिए. Like this also you can do directly. एंड यहाँ लास्ट में 3 चाहिए, सो 7 9 ज़ा 63, सो 7 के कारण ही 3 आएगा. सो आंसर इज 4/7. सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ दिस नंबर इज 4/7. नाउ द थर्ड एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. 161/69. First we will take bigger number here and smaller number here. Now 69. So 69 is closer to 70 and 70 का डबल होता है 140. So हम डबल करके ले सकते हैं. So here we will take 69. 2 ज़ा 138. Subtraction. So here it will become 11. 11 minus 8 3. 5 minus 3 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now this remainder will become the divisor and previous divisor will become the dividend. पहले वाले डिवाइज़र को नए क्वेश्चन का डिविडेंड बना देना है और फिर से डिवाइड करना है. सो 23 3 ज़ा 69. लास्ट में 9 चाहिए. 3 3 ज़ा 9. 3 2 ज़ा 6. So 23 3 ज़ा 69. Subtraction we will get 0 as the remainder. So because of which number we got 0? Because of 23 as a divisor we got the 0. Therefore HCF of 161 and 69 is 23. So if we want to reduce this, we will divide both the numbers by 23. Divide by 23, divide by 23. Here last digit is 1. So 3 into which number can give you 1? 7. 7 3s are 21. Last में 1 आएगा. 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16. And here 23 3s are 69. Just now we have seen 23 3s are 69. So the reduced simplest form of this fraction is 7/3. So here we complete our practice set 12. Solve all the 3 questions in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.